In this video, I'm going to show you how to send picture in Google Drive using your phone. Simply open your Google Drive apps. I'm recommend you don't use to Drive site. Just open Google Drive apps. Then I'm get this interface. Press on to plus option. At first, upload file. Okay. Photo or video. So like select, press on to upload. I'm recently uploaded this. Press on three dot and showing it to share option, or you just select to copy link and share any person using WhatsApp. Just paste here to copy link, or three dot to share if you want to send by mail. Okay. Make sure to enable to anyone allow this link, and you can easily share from here. So that's it.